Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a Christmas decor home tour. I'm going to show you how I decorated for Christmas this year and tell you where I got all of my decor from. And without further ado, I'm just going to jump right into this. So I'm standing in my foyer area, and as you can see, my dining room, my kitchen, and my family room is visible from here. I do have an open floor plan home, so all the rooms do flow together. So I'm going to start here in my foyer area. This sparkly garland is from Michael's, and I just added a few neutral ornaments to dress it up a bit, and I think it turned out so cute and simple. Now I'm gonna head to my family room area. On this table behind my couch, I kept it super simple and just put this Mary sign and candle on it. The wooden sign is from Marshall's and the candle is from TJ Maxx. These Sand and Fog brand candles this year have the cutest tops on them, and this one is in the scent Holiday Berry. Moving on to this little white dresser in my family room. This is one of my favorite decorated spaces for Christmas this year. I just love how it turned out and how everything just goes together so well. This sparkly small tree is from Target, and I put it inside of this Magnolia Farms metal bucket that I got from TJ Maxx this year. I also picked up this balsam and fir candle from TJ Maxx as well. I just love how this black candle ties in with the rest of the black decor on this dresser. And pine scents are one of my favorite scents for Christmas, so you'll be seeing a lot of these around my home. And I'm also in love with these little reindeer. These are also from TJ Maxx. And below I have hung two black and white stockings. These are from the Hearth and Home collection at Target. I got these on Black Friday, and I'm so glad I did because I think they are just so pretty with the rest of the decor. On my couch, I added two black and white pinstripe pillows and these black blankets. These pillows are from TJ Maxx, and the blankets I got from Kroger on sale for only $3.99. I don't put a lot of pillows on my couch ever because of my dogs. They constantly knock them off and I get tired of picking them up, so I just keep the number of pillows at a minimum for that reason. For my TV stand, I added these wooden trees on each side that I got from Target last year, and this sparkly garland from Michael's. Below, I added a wooden cutout of Santa and reindeer. I got this last year at Home Goods. Moving on to my tree, I kept the colors very neutral this year and simple just to match the rest of my home. As you can see, I have a lot of white, silver, and wood accents on my tree. And instead of using a tree skirt this year, I am using this wooden box. My husband and I built this from scrap wood, and I gave it a whitewash look, and I think it ties in nicely with everything else in my home. These are my favorite ornaments on my tree, and these are from Home Goods. These sparkly ones are from TJ Maxx. These came in a variety pack from Target of white and silver. These wooden stars I think are from Home Goods. And I got these snowflakes from Target last year. These oyster shell balls are from a local Christmas tree shop where I live, and the wooden bead garland wrapped around my tree is also from the same shop. And lastly, the star on top is from Marshall's. Over here, I added this small flock tree from Marshall's and these 3 white bottle trees, which are from Target, to this white tray. And then I put this white pine candle here that I got from TJ Maxx. Below on the bottom, I added these 2 buckets filled with greenery. The small Snowy Hills bucket is from Michael's and the Christmas tree one is from Walmart, and I picked up a bunch of greenery from Michael's to fill the buckets. Moving along to my stair rail, I hung this realistic pine garland with lights. This is from the Hearth and Home collection at Target. And I also added this wooden snowflake garland to it so it wasn't too simple. Down this hallway, I didn't want to do much, but just keep it super simple. So what I did was replaced my eucalyptus greenery with these real Christmas tree trimmings to this space, which I think was absolutely perfect, and it smells so good. Moving along to my kitchen, I got this sparkly tree from Target and this metal tree from Home Goods. I am in love with this black Christmas tree candle holder. It's so modern farmhouse and it's just my style, and it just fit in with my decor so well. And inside I added a small DW brand candle in the scent pine from TJ Maxx. On my oven, I hung this cute gray, white, and black Christmas tree towel that I got last year from Joann Fabrics. Over here, I just put a candle to keep it simple. This is another one of those sand and fog candles I got from TJ Maxx that has one of those adorable tops. I put the candle top underneath the candle while it's burning, but if you can tell, it has little Santa faces on it, which is so cute. For my sink area, I got the new Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in the scent Snowdrop, and the hand soap I had left over from last year, but I got that from Bath & Body Works in the scent Winter Citrus Wreath. And then I also added this little glittery succulent that I think I got from Target or TJ Maxx, I believe. Next up is my coffee corner in my kitchen. All I did for this area was decorate this 2-tier stand with just a bunch of little things. The greenery and the bottle tree is from Target, and on the bottom I have a coffee mug that I got from Joann Fabrics last year, a white snowflake candle, and a wooden tree ornament that I got from Target this year. And I also added wooden beads, which I got from Amazon. So for my pantry doors, I had originally added 2 mini reefs to it, but I wasn't feeling it, so I took those down and I waited for something to come along when I went shopping. And while I was in Joann Fabrics on Black Friday, I saw 2 snowflakes that would have been perfect for the doors, but they were way too expensive, so I just decided to make my own instead. I took tiny pieces of scrap wood and pipe cleaners and hot glued it all together to make a snowflake shape, and then I just wrapped it all with a fluffy yarn, and I think it turned out so cute, and it was just what I wanted for the doors. Lastly, I'm going to take you into my dining room where I kept it very simple again. I replaced the existing greenery that I had in the vase with real Christmas tree trimmings, just like I did in my hallway.